Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Exodus Web3 Wallet. On the Exodus site, exodus.com, scroll down and you will find multi-chain Web3 Wallet. On the left side you have this button where it says Web3 Wallet. Click on this button and now it will open a new page where it says Multi-chain Web3 Wallet. Access Ethereum, Solana, Algorand and Polygon Web3 apps from one wallet. Click on this where it says Install for Chrome and Brave. It will open a new page. This is the Chrome Web Store and from the right side you have button Add to Chrome. Click on this and click where it says Add Extension. Now it will add this extension to the Chrome web browser and it will open this page. It says More than a wallet. Explore Web3 on Ethereum and Solana now, plus more networks soon. Click on the next button. Buy crypto. Use your bank account or card to buy crypto at low rates worldwide. Click on Next. Collect NFTs. Grow your NFT collection across Ethereum, Solana and more. Click on Next. And now you have this page where it says Explore Web3, connect to dApps to find the best swaps, earn rewards and more. Create new wallet. Click on this button. Now you need to enter your unique password and click Next. Enter your password again and click on this button where it says Get Started. Now click on this Continue. And now you have your wallet. This is your wallet and you have a couple of options here. You can scroll down and explore what's in this wallet. So on the first button, this is Exodus logo button, you have Fund Your Wallet to send funds to your wallet. On the Receive button, you can receive different coins like Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche. If you click on some of these coins, you will get your wallet address where you can send funds to this wallet. If you go on this little wallet icon, it will show your current portfolio balance, and if you scroll down you can see all the coins you have in your wallet. So if you click on one of these, you can see that this is the Avalanche and your balance is 0 now. Price of the coin is $16.31 and on these blue buttons you can send, exchange, buy and receive Avalanche. If you want to send, you click on send and you need to enter recipient AVAX address, amount which you want to send and click on continue. If you want to exchange, it will go to the exchange in this wallet. It's very easy and it's very fast. So if you want to exchange AVAX to USDC or something else, you can exchange here. On this button with $sign, you can buy crypto directly with your credit card or your bank account. And here is your Exodus profile, so you can click on Edit, change your name, or explore Web3, connections, NFTs, history, assets, security, settings, and support. So this was the quick guide on the Exodus Web3 wallet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and support my channel. Bye bye.